Guys, I didn't think I'd be saying this so soon. Suno just dropped version 5.5. It doesn't feel like a toy anymore. At least this is what they say. They're calling it the shift to producer mode, uploading your own voice, training custom models, and finally having full control over the structure. Is this the salvation of AI music, or are we losing the last human stronghold? Today we're gonna concentrate us on the new My Voice feature, and I will show how to use it, and I will give you a personal review. Let's find out. Suno listened to their community. They dropped with the version 5.5 the most requested feature. You can now upload or record your own voice and create songs. Is this the beginning of a new era or another crap feature that no one needs? Let's check it out. Here's the new feature. If you want to create a song with your own voice, you have to accept here the policy. They write here 4 recommendations to have the best result. You can sing in the style and language you want, pop, rock, rap or whatever. For better quality, a good microphone helps. You have to be sure to be in a quiet room, no background noises, and you have to record at least 10 seconds of your own singing voice. They recommend to record between 10 seconds and 4 minutes. The longer you record, the better are the results. So you have 3 possibilities. You can record your own voice and sing directly into the Suno program, still taking care of the recommendations. So you just have to click on the red button and then you can start to sing. You see the red circle filling out. You have to wait until 1 round is completed. A second round with a blue circle will appear. That's the time between the 10 seconds and the 4 minutes. So you have to fill out at least the red circle, the blue circle. If you fill out the blue circle, it will even be a better quality. I wanted to test this new feature. I sang a song called Wanna Break Out, which I will link you here. A song I made a few months ago when I was at the highest moment of my anxiety. I had the problem when I pressed the red button to record my voice, I did not hear the music, so I had to sing without music. Just listen yourself if you dare. I wanna break out, I wanna be seen, but the fear keeps pulling me back. After you have finished recording your song, you can choose here for you the perfect part. I could not hear what I sang, so I just pressed on the use voice button. I checked my settings, but everything was okay. I don't know why I could not hear what I sang. Once you're finished singing, the Suno will ask you to read a sentence. So it's like a confirmation that it is really your own voice that you use. This takes about 2-3 seconds. Then Suno is preparing your voice. You can optionally tell Suno if you are beginner or advanced singer or something. Then you can give your voice a name. You can give style tags or a description. Then you press save. Suno adds automatically the persona you just created. So I tested 2 different versions of the songs Wanna Break Out. So I created a new one with the exact same lyrics and style from the song I made a few months ago. And then I created a cover from the original song. I will play you 30 seconds from the 3 versions. So at first, here is the original song. I wanna break out, I wanna be seen, but the fear out keeps pulling me down. Here is the cover song with my voice.
I wanna break out, I wanna be seen, but the fear keeps pulling me back, caught between the urge and the panic. I wanna scream, but I stay quiet.
Here is the new creation with my voice.
I feel the pressure in my stomach. My heart is racing, my chest feels tight. A knot inside my throat, shaking fear. My body wants to run, but my heart wants to stay. I wanna break out, I wanna be seen, but the fear keeps pulling me back, caught between the urge and the panic. I wanna scream, but
So those were the results. And I have to be honest with you, it's not the miracle I was hoping for. Credits where credits are due. Version 5.5 is a massive technical leap. If I compare this to my original song Wanna Break Out from version 4.5, the difference in production is night and day. The melody is more sophisticated, the compression is much cleaner, and the overall vocal clarity is objectively better. But here is the reality check regarding the new voice future. Yes, the AI hits the notes better than I do. It's in tune. This is good because I'm not a trained singer. But even though it's perfect, it doesn't actually sound me. It captures a shadow of my voice, but it lacks the character that makes a performance real. I believe that I don't do this cover, but a fresh restart, create a new version of the song with my voice. The AI can work its magic, but honestly, it didn't. You can still hear that I'm not a trained singer. The bad quality of my natural voice is still there, even under all the AI polish. Sure, the AI hits the notes better than I do in real life, but the overall tone isn't convincing. It sounds like an untrained voice being pushed into a box where it doesn't fit. The hard truth is, you won't become a global superstar overnight just by uploading your own voice, if you don't have a trained professional foundation to begin with. It's a fun future, don't get me wrong. It's great for playing around privately and sending fun stuff to friends. But for Valorum, for the music I produce for this channel, I don't think I will be using it, at least not for now. So the lesson learned today: AI can polish, but it can't replace the foundation. Suno is a powerful assistant, but it's not the artist. For me, the path remains the same. I will keep using my DAW, I'll keep layering my own frequencies, and I will keep creating music that is 100% authentic. What are you thinking about Suno 5.5? Is the voice future a game changer, or is it just gimmick? I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Let me know if you have already used the voice feature. What do you think about it? Were your results better than mine? Let me know it in the comments. Thank you for listening. Here the link for the song Wanna Break Out, and here for other songs on my channel. Please check it out, leave a comment and a sub if you liked the video, and see you soon. Your Valorum.